Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the auto reframe on CapCut PC. So here I'm using auto reframe from one of the part of this video. This is the original size of my video, and on the second clip here I'm doing auto reframe to change the ratio of the videos or the clip. And here how you can do what if you want to disable or undo the auto frame. So this is what you're going to do. So click on a clip that you just do the auto reframe, and after that go to basic and find the auto reframe again. So scroll down and you can see the auto reframe is applied, and what you need to do is just uncheck this box. So now it's blue, so you need to uncheck this until it turns to gray like this. So click on that, and just like that the auto reframe will be disabled, or it won't be applied to your clip again. So that's very simple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on a thanks. Bye.